If you are looking for a super simple 12-channel DMX controller, look no further. This is the Mad Owl 12-channel DMX lighting controller, and man, this thing is awesome. It's super easy to use. A couple of features it has. So it has DMX out right here, and it's 3-pin DMX out, and then you have a power on-off switch. You have a master fader, so this will fade all channels, and then you have 6 faders. Well, you said there's 12 channels, right? Yep, there's this page button. When you click this page button, it allows these faders to operate on the other 6 channels that this guy can operate on. It does come with the power supply, and the power supply fits in right here. Power supply cable. Oop, I think I made a mess out of it there. Power supply cable is long enough to where you can get it to most walls. So if you're in the market, oh yeah, also there's a blackout button here. If you're in the market for a super simple DMX controller, I've had this thing for like 2 years, and honestly, this is like a Swiss Army knife for troubleshooting small count fixtures. Let's say a fixture that only has up 12 channels, and I need to check what might be going on with this thing, and I just need a simple turn these faders up, turn it down, let's see what it's doing. This thing is super handy for troubleshooting and for super small setup. So if you're in the market, I highly recommend this.